Christmas Eve fast food. Wendy's is all that's open. Better than nothing. Ice cream in winter. Dairy Queen, you're my hero. I do love blizzards. KFC Fire Log. Emits scent of fried chicken. Deliciously gross. Dear Santa, you're fat. No cookies for you this year. Lay off the burgers. French fry ornament. Perfect for my Christmas tree. Sprinkled salt like snow. Do elves eat fast food? They live for hundreds of years, so probably not. Don't like cold weather? Spicy nugs will warm you up. Well, your tongue at least. On Christmas Day, I'll have my ham on pizza since Pizza Hut's open. Winter fast food job. I hate flipping burgers, but the grill keeps me warm. New checkers in town. Christmas wishes do come true. I'll be first in line. For Christmas I got a batch of French fry spices. 'Tis the seasoning.